We continue our ongoing series answering your questions about COVID-19. Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez is live in Northeast Portland with the latest installment and a question about child care. Simon?
Yeah, a lot of child care centers have closed during this pandemic, but others have stayed open as emergency child care, and some parents are wondering about safety there.
Sadek says not much has been said about how safe or unsafe it is for children to attend daycares during the pandemic. Is it safe for my 2- and 5-year-old to go to daycare?
Well, right now we think so. Children are less susceptible to the disease, it would appear. We certainly have not seen a lot of hospitalized children. One of the questions that we really are not sure of the answer is whether the daycare centers could become places where virus is ramped up and amplified and then transmitted out from there to other people who are vulnerable. We haven't seen that right now.
I've heard from some medical professionals the theory that the children aren't really vectors for this thing, that they don't spread the disease very often or efficiently. What do we know about that?
Well, there are some studies that sort of suggest that they're not big viral amplifiers like they are with influenza. I think there are still insufficient data to say that definitively. I hope that's the case because that would mean that there are fewer consequences to opening schools in the fall, for example.
And Simon, we recently saw the first outbreak of COVID-19 in the Portland area linked to a child care center. So what does that tell us exactly?
Well, it's hard to say exactly. According to the center, that outbreak started when a staff member got sick and then spread the virus to more than 20 others, including some kids. But situations like that across the country have been very, very rare. We do have other questions to get to tonight. Coming up at 5, why is Oregon's economy open when we have so many cases? We'll see you then.